Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI, especially if you are a beginner. So let's begin. So Suno AI, what is this tool actually? So this is actually a tool that lets you create music just by using text. And it's already been used by a lot of companies and uh, creators out there. You simply type what kind of song you want, for example, the mood, the style, or topic, and it will actually, or what I mean is, it will automatically generates a full song for you. That includes the music, the lyrics, and even the vocals. Everything. There's also instrumentals, optional also. You don't need to know how to sing or even produce music. Soon AI does all the work based on the prompt and descriptions you provide. So it's so easy to use, works both on computer and on your mobile device. And this is great for anyone who wants to make music quickly, whether you are an artist, a content creator, or just experimenting for fun. So go to suno.com, okay? Make sure to create an account so you can actually create a song here. Okay. Then over here, click on create. Now we do have two options. We have simple and custom. For simple, you could just simply type a simple description of the song. Like for example, J pop, J city pop, you know, 80s or 90s in a quiet beach sunset. Okay. And then you do have an option to upload a existing audio file that they can follow or make a new one and also apply lyrics. But we're going to make things simple in here. Just click on create. Let's wait for a few seconds. And also you do have like other options in here. Mhm. See, it was generated in less than, this was made in less than a minute. Okay. So we have the custom. Now this is much more detailed if you really want to tweak things in the song, especially the lyrics. So same, you do have the upload and record option. You do have the persona, but this is actually a premium feature. So let's stick with the basics for now. Right here, you can just simply copy paste any lyrics that you have already made, or if you haven't made the lyrics yet, then don't worry. Soon AI has you covered. But before that, you do have the styles in here. Any style you choose, depending on your preferences. Then we have the song title and then the create button. But before we create the song, let's do the lyrics first. Like we have an option here for the full song. You can describe or go into full detail about the lyrics. But we do have another option. We can just simply use Chat GPT, right? Okay. And you can just ask, like, help me create a prompt for Suno AI and generate a lyrics for, okay. Let's wait for a while. Then let's try to see if we can do that. Suno AI. Okay. So let's try the prompt first, right over here. Okay. Let's try this option. And then for the styles, give me tags to use. You're just going to be very lazy in here. I'm going to use this one. And then you can just simply customize the song title and hit create. So this might take a few moments since there is a lyrics integrated with the song. Let's see. Into the tide, shadows stretch and the world feels. Okay, that was actually quick and beautiful. Mhm. So that's actually the basics of Suno AI, but just take note though that you do have other features available if you are a premium user. So that means you can customize songs much more, uh, customize and tweak them at your preferences, not just this basic features that they provide, and make much more powerful songs that is actually close to what you need. And that's it. That's how you use Suno AI. I hope you find this video very helpful.